Welcome to this two-part lighting tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be covering how to set up lighting in your Fusion design. For this tutorial, I will be using the lighting effects that are found in the Advanced Graphics catalog. I will first demonstrate what effect each light creates in your design, and then go over how to combine the lights for best results. There are a number of different lights available. Each one casts a different kind of light effect. The first one we will look at is the ambient light. The code for this light is the character star and the word ambient. All items in the Advanced Graphics catalog start with the character star. The ambient light shines in all directions and does not cast shadows. Adding a couple of ambient lights to design creates a dark environment, allowing other lights to add accents. Adding more ambient lights will increase the overall light level of the design, but just using ambient lights will make the drawing look very flat. The next light we will look at is the point light. The code for this is star point. The point light acts like a single incandescent light bulb. The point light casts light in all directions and casts shadows of objects in the design. This is the perfect light source to use in a design to gain the desired effect, yet show no actual light fixture. There are three different point lights available, namely star point, the equivalent of a 100-watt bulb, star point half, the equivalent of a 60-watt bulb, and star point quarter, the equivalent of a 40-watt bulb. Our next light that we will look at is star spot. The spotlight is a single focused light that points in a particular direction. There are two ways of adding the spotlight that allows control over the direction of the beam. If placing spotlights in the design, the variable item tool can be used to set the direction and angle of the light. If the variable item tool is not used, the spotlight will point at the same direction as the cursor and angle down at 45 degrees. Choose the variable item tool in the toolbar. Select the star spot in the Add palette. Click once in the design where the light should be placed. Release the mouse button. Drag the mouse to set the direction of light. To temporarily disable angle snapping, hold the control key while moving the mouse. When the direction is set correctly, click the mouse button once more. The distance between the first click point and the second click point controls the tilt of the light. A very short line angles the spotlight at 45 degrees. Increasing the line length raises the angle. A line length of 1.2 meters sets the light to horizontal. Our next light is the star halogen. The star halogen light acts as downlight for the design. There are various types of star halogen, and each one creates a different light cone. These lights can be placed either under a wall unit to create counterlight, or placed in the ceiling to create a ceiling light. The last lighting effect we will take a look at is star sun. As its name suggests, the sunlight acts like the sun, shining bright light in a particular direction and casting shadows in the design. This light is most effective when placed outside the design, shining through a window. To place the sun in the design, place the cursor where the light should appear. Locate the required light in the unit section of the Add palette. Press Enter or click the Add button. You can also use your single place item tool to drag in the exact direction you wish the angle of the light to be, similar to the star spot item. The light will be added in the design at the cursor position. This concludes part 1 of this tutorial.